so let's talk about accessories. That helps tremendously. This is a battery grip. What this does is extend the life of the battery power in this camera. Why did I get this? SCSU Homecoming. Mauricio Richardson was he got me on this shoot, and like I look up to this guy a lot. Really taught me a lot of stuff about video and photography. And watching his work ethic is amazing. Pressmark LLC. So, but yeah, he asked me, he was like, how many batteries do you have? I was like, 2. It's like, you're gonna need to buy more batteries. So, because of him, I had 2 of these that he actually let me borrow one of his. So, these are all the batteries, and I use every one of them for that homecoming because it was an all-day shoot. I think we got there like 8 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning, and we was shooting from 7:30 to about 4 o'clock, non-stop. It was a beautiful project. It was great to go back to my university and be a service to them. But he encouraged me to buy this battery grip, and that has been one of the best investments that I've made, because the battery grip, it not only extends the battery life from 1 hour to like 3 hours, because it works along with each other. But when I put this together, now you can see the size of this camera. You know what I'm saying? See the size of this camera. But when I add the battery grip, like, this is the camera. Like, adding the battery grip really makes the camera look much more professional. It gives you more places of contact. Flip it if you're doing portrait mode. It's easier to snap like here because I have a shutter button here. You can adjust your settings there. And for photography, I encourage everyone to have a battery grip. For videography as well, definitely works. Very perfect. Definitely perfect. Perfect. So that's the battery grip. And these are my batteries. The most important part of video is getting a good image, and the next most important part in video is audio. You can have a bad picture with good audio, people will watch it. But if you have an excellent picture and horrible audio, people are not really gonna watch it. Alright? It's more irritant. So I got a shotgun mic, and this simply just goes on top of your camera. Got a hot shoe mount. I also got this, put this part on there so that I can mount it to a stand easily, because this is a 1/4 mount, and this right here is a 3/4. So this one that came with there is too big for a regular mount. It goes on like light stands or whatever, or mic stands. Some mic stands can mount on, and this right here goes on your common 1/4 any tripod stand. So I put this on here to help out with mounting. However, this has been a lifesaver. It's a shotgun mic, so it picks up right in front, and it kind of cancel out anything on the side, especially in the back. So I can be back here like talking about certain things or trying to adjust settings, and it does not pick up the noise. It definitely focuses on the subject that is in front of me. This is like $35 on Amazon. So I encourage everyone to definitely, if you're going to do this, get a DSLR, definitely get a mic, because the onboard preamps on this thing, the mic is right here. The mic it sits right here. It sits right here. So I don't particularly recommend using that. Get a shotgun mic. It's definitely going to improve your audio and make it much easier. Alright, so that's onboard audio. Now for my vlogs, not my vlogs, I use this for my vlogs. I use this for my vlogs. Now when I'm doing professional shoots, stationary, I've definitely upgraded recently. No, matter of fact, let's pause. What I used to use before, I put this is a CAD C9. This is a condenser mic, and it's very, 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 very sensitive. Very detailed. This is more sensitive and detailed than this. However, this was made with shock mount to go on top of the camera. This one right here was made to go on a mic stand. So I use this in a lot of my interview videos. So I will put this and hide it. A lot of people use lavalier mics. Those are the mics that you can clip on you. I hate lavalier mics. I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, when in a situation, I don't like to have to be touching my client. I know it's a part of the job, but if I can avoid it, I don't want to have to like readjust their clothes or, you know, try to hide, you know, the cord or whatever. That's just not my personal preference. If I can use a shotgun mic or something like this, condenser mic, and get it right up above the frame and still capture good audio, I'd rather do that. Second reason I don't like lavalier mics is I hate having that big mic, especially when you can't really hide it. Like the mic sticking, you can act like the viewer can tell that, you know, the mic is on them. I hate that. I really, really do. I hate that. Like, I really do. Some people like it. It's easier. You know, certain situations it work better. But I don't like it. So if I can use a shotgun mic, I'd rather use a condenser, put on a mic stand. And I'm gonna show you how. Matter of fact, in the next video, I'm going to show you how I use this with an iRig, and also I'm going to use it, how I use this with an H1N. Alright, so, the last investment that I have is this H4N. I got this for half price. I found it online for half price. It was like $100. I had to pay for shipping, so it's $110 together. But, like, this has saved my life. I used this recently on a shoot and like it was buttery smooth. I'll do a review on this. I actually use it for more than just DSLR shooting or video shooting. I use it for audio. I'm capturing all kind of stuff, especially for my rehearsals or just using it for even church services. Like I would like to listen back. This thing has been a lifesaver, and it has been such a detrimental part to my musical career and my video career. So yeah, that's this. And that, my friend, is my camera gear. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. You would check out the vlogs, check out the Blackout series, and the next video, part 2 of what's in my camera bag, or my camera, whatever I name this. Part 2 of this will be how I use this equipment in certain setups. So I'll set up the studio for a black couch and show you how I use it, and then I'll show you some run and gun situations, how I use the equipment that I use. Alright, so you guys have a good day, and thank you for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit the share button. Yeah, and share this to your Facebook. If you're not friends with me on Facebook, my name is Shante Darby, SHONTE DARBY. You can check out my website, shantedarby.com. This YouTube page, so you can get straight to it by using lifeofaproducer.com. Check out the blogs. Definitely leave a comment. Check out the Blackout series. Leave a comment. I would love to fellowship with you and build a community. So if you like this video, definitely hit the like button. I appreciate you. See you in the next one.